Well, guys, it is super early, and well, we've been on the road probably right now for at least the past 45 minutes because my buddy's shop, we're going to D3 Motorsports today, and my buddy Deron owns that shop, and he's going to be putting on the Lambo exhaust for us. I did some research on that, and it does not look like the easiest process because I am not a mechanically inclined individual at all. But so we're gonna take the car to him. In fact, like I said, we've been on the road for about 45 minutes already, and we are just getting into a little bit of traffic up ahead. But it is not too bad. We're fixing to pull up at his shop. We're gonna drop it off, and then he's gonna pick up the video and show you all a little bit, taking the bumper off and whatnot. And then you know, after I get off of work, I'm gonna go over to the shop and join in on the fun and see if I can't learn a thing or two. So hopefully this will go very, very smoothly. Welcome to D3 Motorsports.
Thanks guys for watching. Welcome back to the channel, D3 Motorsports. And I also have a collaboration with Luke's Life YouTube channel as well. So thank you for watching. You're here at D3 Motorsports. We do wheels, tires, wraps, window tints, ceramic coatings, paint protection films, and much more. So today we have Luke's 2018 Huracan in the shop. So as you guys know, the factory exhaust can become some restrictive. It could be quiet. You know, Luke wants a little bit something more exotic. So this is what we got here. We're about to put this bad boy on. The team is over here ready to get started on it. So we got out on the lift. We're about to lift it up right now and get started with that. So stay tuned as we get through with this.
So the guys have gotten the car underway here. They have everything pulled apart. This is the old exhaust. Look how massive that thing is. Ridiculous. We're going from this to that. Look at, get a workout in, Omar. Get a workout in. But that came from right here. You know, while everything's off, should we do just throw a turbo kit on it?
Might as well throw.
I might as well, right? Yeah, you know, it's a smooth,
might as well.
smooth 40,000, 45,000.
We're gonna do the one that comes out from the middle of the bumper. Let's go.
So they have got this thing all pulled apart. Something that I definitely could not have figured out myself. So thank you to D3 Motorsports and the entire team, because without them, this would not be possible. And I am eternally grateful that I did not have to screw this car up trying to make this happen. While we're here, we cannot ignore the unicorn of all Lamborghini Huracans, and that is the brand new 60th anniversary STO, and probably the most insane Huracan spec I've ever seen. Full satin blue with like this dark satin blue accent with all these lighter blue stripes and blue carbon fiber. How ridiculous is that? So on the 60th anniversary Huracans, they made 60 STOs, 60 Evos, and 60 Technicas. And this is number 9 of 60 of the STOs. And the most insane spec anybody's ever seen. I mean, that's got to be the craziest Huracan spec you've ever seen in your life.
It is, man. It's that metallic blue matte color is just insane. Man, look, the carbon is what gets me on this.
I know, it's
exposed
ridiculous.
Carbon with the metallic blue in it. That's crazy. The folks on the front lip.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
I mean, it's that right there. When I saw it, it was kind of like
She's gonna end up missing
This is it. This is it.
Yeah. I mean, what a privilege. After how many years of work have you been open?
Man, I've been doing this since 2016.
Since 2016, and now look at the cars you're working on.
I know, right? I know.
The most insane Lambo we've ever seen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bro,
What do you think?
bro, that is sick. It sounds so much better.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That sounds so much better. Oh
yeah.
my gosh. Talk about opening it up.
I know. That's the way a Lambo should sound, huh?
Oh my God, no kidding. I mean, you took away that whole suitcase back there.
Oh yeah,
you know,
man. It was crazy.
that-
That thing you saved probably about a good 50 pounds.
Dude.
I mean, that thing is kind of heavy, bro.
That's
It's like you want
crazy.
to curl that thing. It's crazy.
Oh, for sure.
How big it is. But yeah, man, this it went on flawlessly. It went on great. The guys, Omar and Ryan, did a great job putting it on there. You know, it sounds amazing, man. It sounds
Dude.
way better than factory.
Thank y'all so much, man.
Hey, no worries, man. Anything for you, brother?
I want to give a huge thank you to D3 Motorsports for hooking me up, getting this thing done. Because, like I said, this exhaust has been sitting in my garage for 2 months, and I just haven't had the time to deal with it. But Deron and the team absolutely killed it, and the car sounds so much better. And man, I just can't wait to get out on the road so we can hear what that thing sounds like under load. Just listen to this thing pop, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at now. This car drives like a whole different car. It sounds so much better, and really it just like wakes the car up and, you know, makes it feel like more of a wild ride. I just absolutely love it. I am so excited that I have this done, and I'm filming a video Saturday that having an exhaust is going to be very helpful for, and more to come with that. But I want to say again just a big thank you to Deron and the whole team at D3 Motorsports for getting this done for me. I literally called Deron just yesterday and said, yo, like, hey man, can you do this tomorrow? And he squeezed me in, he got it done. They did a fantastic job, and I could not be happier with the way the car turned out. It sounds absolutely wicked. Thank y'all so much for watching another video. I am really enjoying making these daily videos. It is a grind, and, you know, working during the day, filming at night, and then editing at night, it is a lot of work, but, you know, it's a lot of fun. I enjoy doing it, and I really appreciate all the love that y'all give me. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing, and we're almost to 100K, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.